opened Microsoft Word in my Windows computer and I created this butterfly in MS Word. And if you wonder how I created this butterfly symbol, this is a very easy method. Simply open the Word, and after that you must type like this 1F98B. So you must type like this 1F98B. After typing that, you can simply press this is the alt key and this is the X key. You must press these two keys at the same time. One of your finger is in this alt key, and at the same time you must press this key also. So if you press these two keys at the same time, then you can see that butterfly emoji have been created here. And suppose if you want to change the color, then you must simply select this, and after that you must from here you can choose the color that you want. You can change the color of butterfly from here. Okay, hope this video is useful. For more videos you can subscribe.